Wagwan, my YouTube family. Welcome back to Briscoe's Kitchen, yeah man. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you I make my Jamaican style brown stew red snapper fish. First and foremost, big up Father God, oh yeah. These are the fish I'm going to brown stew. They already scale and wash. Inside already clean, as you could see. I'm just going to wash them with a lime and some white vinegar. So these are the ingredients I'm going to use for my brown stew fish. I already prepped everything already. Here I have some carrots cut in julienne strips. Here I have a piece of fresh ginger peel. Here I have some fresh thyme and I have three scotch bonnet pepper. Here I have some sweet pepper cut up, and this is red, yellow and green sweet pepper. I have one medium onion cut up. This is 2 stalks of scallions cut up. Here I have 3 cubes of garlic chopped up. I'm going to use some fresh pimento. I'm going to use some grace browning for color. You could use gravy master if you cannot get the grace browning. I'm going to use my Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice all-purpose seasoning and some red pepper flakes. Alright, now I'm going to wash the fish then. I use fresh lime, some white vinegar, make sure I cut the raw scent from them. Just going to rinse them off one more time. Now that the fish them wash, I'm going to season them up now. So here now, I'm going to give them a couple of slices so the seasoning could soak inside of them. Just 2 slices on each sides. Not too deep because you don't want them to break when you take them up. Just like that. Alright, now I'm going to wash my hands. Okay, now I'm going to crush some pimentos. Alright, just like that. Okay, now I'm going to add red pepper flakes. Just a little bit of red pepper flakes, not too much. 1.5 tablespoons of all-purpose seasoning. Mix them together. Now this is what I'm going to use to season the fish them. Start with this one first. You want to make sure you season the inside of the fish them first, okay? Before you season the outside. And rub in the seasoning to my people. Next side. Make sure you always get the seasoning in here so to marinate inside of the fish, okay? Alright my people, the fish them seasoned to perfection. You can see? Seasoned to perfection. Okay, now I'm going to allow them to marinate for 2 hours before I fry them. Now to my stove, I have my oil hot. So here I'm going to add some fresh thyme, 2 pepper, because you have to season the oil, okay? I'm going to add some garlic. This is just to season the oil and I'm using corn oil. Now I'm going to add the fish them. So I'm going to make them fry for 8 minutes on each sides at 350 degrees. Okay, alright, time to flip the fish them. So I'm just I use a little tongue. Already 8 minutes since they fry on this side. Okay, so the fish them finished to fry. The one here, oh, that's how it looks. Now I'm going to make the brown stew sauce. So I'm going to add 2 pot spoons of the oil we fry the fish. So 2 spoons of the same oil that fry the fish. Turn on my stove. The reason why me use this oil, my people, we fry the fish, it have a lot of flavor from the fish frying into it with the seasoning and everything. So here I'm going to add my onions. Now I'm going to add the garlic. I'm going to add ginger, thyme, add all of the sweet pepper, carrots. Remember, your stove have to on low heat right here, so okay? Because you don't want your vegetables to burn. Add a couple grains of pimento. Pinch of red pepper flakes. 1 teaspoon of tomato paste. You could use ketchup also, okay? So remember, if you don't have tomato paste, use ketchup, okay? My all-purpose seasoning. 1 tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning. You don't need a lot of sodium because remember the fish there already seasoned. Now 2 cups of hot boiling water. See, this is 2 cups, okay? 2 cups. 1 pepper. But I'm not going to burst the pepper. Now I'm going to add the browning, just a little bit of browning for some color, not too much browning, okay? That should be good. Okay, that is it. No more. Now I'm going to cover it up and allow it to come to a boil before I add the fish them. Okay, my people. Now it comes to a boil. Now I'm going to add the fish them. And the second one. Be simmered also. Now I'm going to add the scallions. Now I'm going to cover them up and allow them to simmer down in the sauce for 5 minutes. Alright, this is it. Fish them simmer down. Now I'm just going to turn off the stove. Okay, my people, time to plate one of them. Just like this. Some gravy. So this is my brown stew red snapper. Look when it finished, my people. Nice and tasty. Look at this. So let me know in the comment section, what would you eat your brown stew fish with? And please remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I have a lot more recipe to share with y'all. Peace out.
Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice. Yeah, the food is nice. Like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Yeah, Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice.